Hey guys, this is Matthew from Toma, a marketplace to create and share deep learning bots. Most chatbot building platforms require a lot of time and effort to add the training data, and the accuracy of the responses still isn't great. This video will show you how Toma solves these two problems and give you a quick demo of our new platform. To illustrate this, I'm going to show a comparison between IBM Watson's platform and Toma's. Now onto IBM's platform to build a bot. We're going to use a small training file that contains a few conversations between a customer service agent of a parcel delivery company. That's this one here. Now, let's click Create and call this video demo. Now we must add our first intent, and to do this we're going to use the first line of our training file. Let's create the second intent. Calling this one line 2. Now we have two intents, line 1 where the user complains and line 2 where the user thanks. We now need to tell Watson what the bot should respond in both of these cases. We move over to the dialog section to do this. You can see on the right hand side the trigger section. We say if line 1, then respond with this sentence which we're going to pick up from the training file. Now, if line 2, use this line from the training file here. Okay, as you can see, this would take a while to do the entire training set, so I've actually pre-built this bot using the training data that I've shown you. Let's open that up now. The first problem we have is the painful process of adding all the data one by one, but let's test the bot. Let's open up the chat window here. Let's ask the bot a question from the training file with the exact words that were in the training file. As you can see, it gives back the expected response. However, if we ask, "Hi, I sent a parcel a long time ago, and it hasn't arrived yet." A human here would quite easily be able to see that these are two similar questions. However, Watson asks us to select the intent that this maps to, meaning it hasn't understood the question. Now I'm going to take you through the process of training a bot using the Toma platform. Let's click Create New Bot, naming it Video Demo once again. Ignore the other fields for now, we can come back to those later. Now we're on the training page, we simply upload our training file, which you should ensure is question and answer format with questions and answers on separate lines. Once you click upload, you'll see that training commences, and that's split into two phases. Phase 1 is phrase level learning and takes just a few seconds. Phase 2 can take longer and up to a few hours if you have a large training set. And this is the deep learning in action, word level learning. The good news is, though, we don't need to wait for that to finish until we can start testing our bot in the chat window to the right hand side. We'll use the same questions that we used for the IBM Watson demo, which are slight variations from the questions found in the training file.
I am very sorry to hear this. I must advise you to contact the sender to chase this further, as they are the contract holders with us.
As you can see, the toma bot picks up the question and responds correctly. Now let's use another question that IBM failed to give an answer to.
Do you have your order reference number to hand?
Once again, it answers correctly, and let's just try one more.
I'm sorry to hear this. Of course, I'll rebook collection for today.
Okay, so let's move on to multi-turn dialogues. Use I want to cancel a booking.
May I ask why you wish to cancel? Okay, I have now canceled this on our system for you. You are welcome.
One of the pains of being a bot developer today on many chatbot platforms is the need to start afresh with every new bot that you create. What I'd like to do now is show you Toma's solution to this problem, the marketplace. To do this, I'm going to create a new bot, calling this one video demo 3. Clicking next takes you to the bot store, Toma's marketplace, the place where you can leverage the work of other bot developers, or as a bot developer, you can publish your bot to this area to monetize it. As you can see, there's a couple of bots in the store right now. One of these is an AI bot. It has some general knowledge on artificial intelligence. I'm going to toggle the switch, click next, and upload the training file that we've used in the previous example. What I'm going to show you now is that when you chat with the bot, it retains the functionalities of both bots.
Deep learning has attracted a lot of attention because it is particularly good at a type of learning that has the potential to be very useful for real. The ability of a machine to perform general intelligent action.
As you can see, both of these answers come from the AI bot. Now to check whether it retains the functionality of the parcel delivery company.
What is the reference number?
You might ask, what are the real-world applications of this? The Toma marketplace would allow 3 separate developers to build individual bots here. One could build the TripAdvisor bot, a second an Uber bot, and the third could purchase both of these and combine them within their own. Now that you've built a bot, you want it to be in every location that your users are. So to show you this section, I'm going to take you to the integrations page. Here you'll see all the major chat platforms. Right now, we're going to go live with Facebook Messenger, but rest assured, over time, we'll be adding each of these as one-click integrations. In addition, right now, you can connect to any chat platform via webhook. Thanks for watching. This week's a big one for Toma. We launch our beta. We're exhibiting at 4 years from now. You can see the booth numbers on the screen. And we're also launching on Product Hunt. So please show us some love on there if you like what you see. Thanks a lot.